Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to check device model. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the about phone section. Here we got the full device name, the XIAOMI 12X, and to see the full model of our device you should click here to the all specs, and here you will see the device models section. In my case, that's 21 12 12 3AG. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.